Happy Tuesday, everyone. Today, February 24th, 2009. This is Homie 3 with a smiley face on the end. This is the first time I'm appearing in a video for you, for many reasons, which I have taken care of. Now, concerning my nickname, it has to deal with the book that I authored and channeled, which I have discussed in various other videos. And I'm going to do more, and I hope you join my YouTube Homie 3, that's Homey, the number 3. And we'll get into that later on in this video. But this one is concerning Barack H. Obama, his qualifications and eligibility to hold the office of President of the United States of America. We are very well aware of what has been taking place in the court systems over the past 6 months. And we should pay more attention to Philip J. Berg, Esquire. After all, he placed the first lawsuit in the Federal District Court of Philadelphia on August 21st of 2008. And as of today, he still has three cases in the court system. One is under seal that he can't disclose any information on or talk about. We should be upset with the media of this country, even though it has stated a few items here and there concerning the cases against Obama in various states. But the media has not vetted Barack Obama fully for everyone. He should hand over the paperwork, make people happy, instead of spending millions of dollars defending himself in the court system. All he had to do was hand over a $10 or $12 piece of paper. Instead, he seals all his records. Why? That's his birth records, his health records, school records. Is he hiding something? And I even ask, and I'll state it right now, hey, Barack Obama, what are you hiding? Are you not a natural-born citizen of the United States of America? Now let's look at somebody else. Dr. Orly Tates. She's putting another lawsuit together with state lawmakers and various other individuals. And it possibly could include Lieutenant Scott Easterling of the Army, who recently went public with his feelings about whether he should really listen to the orders of the President of the United States of America. He would like to see the paperwork handed over to the public for them to see. I wonder how many military personnel are knowledgeable of this problem. How many people don't have a computer and only read what they see in the newspapers or what's on the news channels on TV? They haven't fully done much concerning these lawsuits. I mean, really, ladies and gentlemen, I ask you, go to ObamaCrimes.com. Donate some money to Philip J. Berg, Esquire, and this cause, so that he can advertise in newspapers throughout the United States. It's not an issue you want to pass up. Tell your neighbors, talk to your coworkers, talk to your friends about it. Don't be embarrassed. Don't think that they're going to laugh at you. And don't worry about racial strife. I talk to people in the black community, and even have heard, some have stated on various radio shows with Mr. Philip J. Berg, that they want a legal president. If Mr. Obama is not legal, he should resign. Hey, Obama, all you have to do is tell people that you made a mistake. You did wrong. You lied. You deceived everybody. Deceived everybody. Be honest. Why? Because you wanted to gain power? Think about it, ladies and gentlemen. This is something important. This is defending your Constitution. We already know his past record of what he has stated in various places and on videos, on YouTube. The media has not done enough. But there was one source, the Globe magazine. They've had 5 articles over the last month and a half, and even had front page articles on the front page stating about these lawsuit cases and his eligibility of where he was born. Ladies and gentlemen, I think that it is time that Obama comes clean before it goes any further, because he's already starting to sign bills that would become null and void if and when he does resign. Or, if, this is reality. It's not a game. Can you imagine other governments and people in this country blackmailing the President of the United States of America? This is totally wrong. Now, ladies and gentlemen, do what you can to make other people informed out there. I do. I talk to people. There are some people even today that stated they didn't know anything about it. I've talked to police officers, and they are well aware of it. What about the recent comment by United States Senator Richard Shelby of Alabama, when he stated he did not see the birth certificate? But later on in the afternoon, his office released a statement that the senator feels confident that the vetting process was done correctly on Obama. Why did he say what he did earlier in the day? Ladies and gentlemen, this is serious. Do something about it. Write to your congressmen, your senators. Again, write to the Supreme Court and to the federal district courts where these lawsuits are being handled. Get them to hear the case. Don't state that we have no standing or you have no standing. You voted these people into office. They work for you. Even the court justices, when they first started out, they were voted into a court judge and not appointed. Later on in life, presidents appointed them to the Supreme Court and had to get approval by the Congress and Senate. So think about it, ladies and gentlemen. Do what you can. Get it done. And let's get it done soon before it's too late for our country and the rest of the world. Now, concerning my book and the videos that I will be doing, is concerning prophecies of our lifetime and the future, and the reality of what could happen or might happen, and what we can do to avert actions of humanity or mankind that can bring destruction to this planet. By understanding these prophecies and what they really are and what they mean, we have that ability to do so now. But you see, later on in the year, in the summer, there'll be movies coming out concerning 2012. They will scare a lot of people. But if you listen to what I have to state, you won't be scared and what the real thing is all about. And I give proof to what I talk about. At this time, may God bless. And I hope to put up a video very soon to state congratulations to the people of this country for getting this act of Obama taken care of. May God bless again.